Step E. Remove the factory center fascia. Remove the retaining clip panel on the lower right side of the center fascia. Use a trim removal tool to pry it open, then pull out the side trim panel. Pay attention to the hook position and remove it along the hook direction. Remove the retaining clip panel on the left side in the same way. Remove the left side trim panel in the same way. Remove the 4 screws indicated in the illustration. Disconnect the factory wiring harnesses. Remove the factory main unit panel. Remove the OEM display screen. Locate the factory wiring harness and connect it to the new matching harness. Connect the main power harness. Connect the climate control harness. Connect the radio antenna cable. Connect the upgraded button control panel harness. Provides power for the upgraded USB port and wireless charging module. Install the wireless charging board. Connect the KB harness. Provides power for the wireless charging module. Install the wireless charging module. Install the climate control air duct and secure it with 2 screws on both sides. Apply foam sealing tape securely around the connection between the air vent and air duct. Improper sealing may cause air leakage. Connect the hazard light harness and climate control harness. Connect the factory hazard light connector. This step is only required for vehicles equipped with the optional center armrest. Route the controller cable from the top with the white bar-pin connector facing downward. Connect the HVAC panel backlight cable to the controller backlight cable. Open the main unit. Locate the adapter board and connect the small white controller connector to the adapter board as shown. Route the 4P USB cable and 6P USB cable from the center console to the passenger side storage area. Connect the reverse signal wire. Install the GPS antenna. Install the 4G antenna. Connect the multimedia function harness. Connect the USB 4 pin to USB 6 pin adapter cable. Connect the TX-RX signal wires. The TX-RX signal wires must be connected, otherwise, the CAN bus system may not function properly, which can cause the factory amplifier information display or climate control system to malfunction. Connect the main unit power harness. Remove the trim cover below the steering wheel. Then locate the corresponding key and QR steering wheel control wires by matching the wire colors. Connect them to the key and QR wires of the product harness. Then complete the steering wheel button learning set up on the center display. Connect the reverse signal wire. Connect the camera power wire. Factory camera systems do not require additional connection. Install the main screen assembly and secure it with 4 screws. Secure the screws for the left and right side trim brackets. Important: transfer the factory side brackets to the new left and right trim panels before installation. Otherwise, the side trim panels cannot be secured properly. Install the left and right side trim panels included with the kit.